is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little pack with me video. So I'm going to be packing for our upcoming trip and I'll just be showing you guys everything I pack. I think this is the first trip that I'm going to be doing carry-on only. That's like longer than just a night or two. So yeah, I'll be showing you how I'm going to squeeze everything into my carry-on only. We did have a little slight change of plans, a little hiccup back at home. So we are staying within Canada. We're going to be headed to Banff, Alberta, and I'm really excited because I've always wanted to go there. So we're gonna see Lake Louise and all the mountains and all the beauty that is in Western Canada. So yeah, I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna be packing, and this will be a little bit trickier too, obviously, because I'm gonna have to be packing for winter, which is obviously a lot bulkier clothing. So we're gonna make it work though. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I'm planning on packing in my carry-on suitcase, and then I will show you as well everything that's going to go into my personal bag that I'm going to bring on with me, so just a backpack as well. So I'll start off with all of the clothing that I am planning to bring. So starting off down here, I'm bringing one sweatshirt type of sweater just for like a comfy casual thing. Then I have two regular sweaters that could also be dressed up if I needed to dress them up, or they're just great also for cold weather and I can dress them down too as well. Then over here I have my big scarf. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be bringing this scarf here, but I'm going to be wearing this on the plane. I don't want to pack it up just because it'll just take up extra space. And then one hat here. Over here I just have a couple of pairs of pants. I have my plaid pants as well as my orange pants. And these will just be for nicer dinners and going out. As well as over here I just have an undershirt, an extra layer to keep warm, and then I have this, and then I have one of my fitted mock neck tops here. So I figured this top would go well with both the orange pants as well as the plaid pants, and this sweater here can go with both obviously as well, and the red sweater could easily go with the plaid pants. So what I'm trying to do is pack things that can go with multiple different pieces, that way I can mix and match and just make a bunch of different outfits. And then moving along up here, I'm also packing some gym stuff. So I have one sports bra and then a pair of long black leggings here as well. And here, these are just going to be the clothes I'm going to sleep in, some bottoms and a t-shirt. And I'm also bringing one of my lighter jackets. I'm going to have my parka, and then I'm also bringing this jacket here as well. And this is going to be my clothing for the plane just because it is the bulkiest. I have my big hoodie sweater. I have a long sleeve, just basic black top. And then I have my black jogger pants that I'm going to be wearing. And I'm also going to be wearing my big snow boots on the plane because they are the biggest as well. There's no room to pack those. So I also just have a bathing suit here. There is a spa, so we plan on doing that. My little black evening bag as well, so that can go for a nicer dinner outfit. And my toiletries, so just like my deodorant and my toothbrush, all of my liquids are going to be going in my handbag with me. So I'll show you guys that in a second. So always wear your biggest clothing on the plane with you, because then obviously you have more space in your suitcase for the rest of your stuff. So I'm going to be wearing like my bulkier sweater, my big boots, a scarf, all of that I'll bring onto the plane with me as I'm wearing it, and the rest will all go into the suitcase. So I'm also going to bring my black Chelsea boots that I have here just so I can dress them up a little bit. My snow boots are not really dressy, so it's nice to have another option for dinners and stuff. And I thought the Chelsea boots would be a good option just because they are smaller, so they're going to fit into the suitcase really well. Quite well. I'll just put the jacket on top there. So we have the boots, my purse, toiletry bag, the activewear, swimsuit, and pajamas. This will just go on top like that. I'm just gonna pop all of my underwear and stuff in this little zipper pocket. And then over here on this side, we have the 2 sweaters on top here, the shirt, the just basic sweatshirt, and the pants are underneath there. So I think everything fits quite well actually. I'll just zip up this side so that all stays in place there, and then just close it up. Alright, so all of these goodies that I have here are going to be going into my backpack that I have, just because they're things that I might be needing to easily grab, and just extra little tidbits kind of thing that I didn't want to stuff away into the suitcase. We just have a reusable water bottle so I can fill that up. Then I have my card holder here with all of my essentials, some face wipes, some Kleenex. I am going to be doing a mask while I'm on the plane this time. I really don't want to break out, and since it's so drying on your skin, what I'm going to do is go makeup free, and then I'm going to apply, I just put a little bit of one of my British Rose masks in there. So I'll be doing that up. And then these are all of my toiletries: shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, face wash, toothpaste, all of that good stuff. I have my camera here with extra battery and charger, and then I'll also be bringing the camera that I'm using right now, some sunglasses. This is just like my everyday handbag. And then I have all of my makeup that I'll be bringing in there. And then over here, of course, we just have the hat and the scarf, which I'll be wearing on me, as well as the clothes I'll be wearing, and the current book that I'm reading, which is The Secret. All of this stuff here is going to be going into the backpack. Oh, as well as my laptop. I am going to be bringing my laptop, and that has a special place at the back of this backpack, and this can fit a lot of good stuff. So I love traveling with that, and it's really comfortable. That is everything right there. So that is that. And like I said, this is my first time doing like longer than a night or two away in a carry-on. So I think it's gonna go okay. I always tend to overpack and I probably honestly did again, but yeah, I'm feeling good about it. So I will update you guys on how it goes traveling with just the carry-on, and I'm excited. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.